this video I'm showing you how to make polymer clay that's too soft workable. The process is called leaching and removes some of the plasticizer in the clay. For this you will need 2 sheets of paper. I just used the paper from my printer and either your pasta machine or your roller, and a heavy book. Cut your clay and roll it out. Sandwich the clay between the 2 sheets of paper. Put the book on top of the sandwich clay. As you can see, the sheets of paper look greasy. This is the plasticizer that has leached out of the clay. Make sure that the clay is workable by testing it. Roll it out. If you think it needs more leaching, repeat the process. Otherwise, use the clay. If you think you leached too much, either add fresh clay of the same color or add a few drops of Sculpey softener. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, hit the like button. If you want to see more of my videos, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks for watching. Bye!